What you see before you is a 2015 Panini Cooperstown hobby box. This product came out right before I dove head first back into collecting, and I did not buy one of these. I've wanted one of these. I have shopped for these. I've looked at them and then ended up getting other things, but I've really always wanted to break one of these. Finally, I saw that Steel City had these on sale this past week, and I was like, no more, I have to get this. There are only 12 cards in here, but you get a couple of hits, and it has it's like Chronicles in that it has a lot of variety in it, and it has a lot of the players from like my prime time of watching baseball. Jeff Bagwell, Piazza, Smoltz, Maddux, Pedro, Randy Johnson, that class of player, and I've just always wanted it, so I'm like over the moon excited to be opening this right now. I actually don't even want to open, I just want to keep looking at it. Find on-card autographs from the 2015 Hall of Fame class. BGO, Johnson, Smoltz, Pedro. There's so much good stuff in here. Now, you know, like any other product, you can expect. I'm going to open this box where I can hold on to it and look at it for a little while longer before I have to throw it away because I'm out of room. Crap, I made me forget what I was going to say. Blah. Anyways, there's the odds. Man, I'd love to bust a case of this. Man, I just can't even believe I'm opening this. I mean, I know it's not like that crazy, but it's just super cool. Even the box is cool. Oh, I forgot I'm going to have to cut this bottom. I don't want to. But I guess I'm going to have to do it if we're going to see the goodies inside. Yeah, the fact they're still doing case breaks of this stuff. The fact that they're still doing case breaks of it says that, you know, people still are digging these boxes. I don't get in many case breaks anymore. I get too many cards as it is, but if I was going to, this would be one to do for sure. So there's my little pack, and there's my cool ASS box. Alright, let's do this. I think it's 2 guaranteed hits. But again, it's more than that. It's got some really cool cards in here. They look really neat. Alright. Set them up. I don't know how the hits come, so we're just going to do it. So there is a Cooperstown Bobby Dorr. Got a little bit of dust on there, but it looks good. Armed Forces. And then a Ripken Cooperstown Induction. Hold it up where you can actually see. Actually, I've got my camera way high so you could see the top of that box, so let's do this. So I won't be showing cards to nobody. Class of 2007. A etched in Cooperstown, Greg Maddux. This has, I don't know if you can see it. It's textured. Put it like that, you can actually see his face. So this one's a little bit thicker stock. Not crazy thick. Not exactly 55, but probably like 35. Eddie Matthews, Crown Royale, 2015 Cooperstown. Very cool. Numbered out of 75. This is Hall of Fame class of 78. Very delicate. There's another one in blue. Bob Gibson. This is numbered out of 25. He is class of 81. We have a Home Run Heroes printing plate of Tony Lazzeri. This is the cyan plate, 1 of 1. From 2014 Classics. Very cool. Look at that. Man, that's cool. Alright. Next up is names of the game. Miller James Huggins. Miller James Huggins. Little everywhere. Little everywhere. That's what they call me nowadays. Since I'm trying to do 50 million things at any given time, they can call me, well, actually, I'm kind of chunky, so they'd be calling me Big Everywhere. Hey, Big Everywhere, get over here. Get you to do something. Cool. Alright, our first autograph is Don Sutton out of 25. On card blue Don Sutton parallel. Yes, baby. So cool. Look at that. It's numbered up here. Wow. Wow, 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 wow. On card even. So nice. Love it. Oh my God. You're not going to believe the next one. Brooks Robinson. On card to 49. Oh my Gee. Wow. I'm trying so hard not to drop these cards. You know how bad I am. Wow. Don Sutton and Brooks Robinson autographs. Holy smokes. Man, that's amazing. Wow, what a box. I knew it was going to be good. Don't worry, we still got a couple more cards. Frank Robinson, Cooperstown to 35. Trying to get in the light there. 35. So that's a red parallel. Nice, nice, nice. And Pat Gillick out of 35. Who's Pat Gillick? I'm not even gonna lie, I don't know who Pat Gillick is. Spent 27 seasons as general manager for oh, okay. Built the Toronto team that won titles in 92 and 93. Pitched for USC in the 58 was before my time. And the last card is, oh, I love Joe Morgan. Joe Morgan. This is just a base unnumbered. He went into the Hall of Fame in 1990. Man, what a cool box. I expected it to be cool, and it lived up to that. Wow, that was fun. Man, I need more of these. I need a case of this so bad. Oh, gotta control my spending. Man, that was fun. If you like this break, give me a like below, because man, this was fun. Man, this was fun. Thanks so much for watching, everybody. Take care of yourself, and I'll be back with you all again soon.